Are you an aspiring author looking to publish your non-fiction book? Do you want to ensure that it becomes a bestseller? Well, there is one crucial aspect you cannot afford to ignore: the book cover design. Here are 5 tips for book cover design for non-fiction to make your book a bestseller. The title of your book is the first thing that potential readers will see. Therefore, it needs to be the main focus of your cover design. Make sure the typography stands out and is clearly legible from a distance. Use a font style, size, and color that will make your title pop off the page.
The subtitle of your non-fiction book is a great way to address your target audience. Use strategic words to draw attention to relevant readers and explain what benefits they can expect from your book. Utilize type manipulation, size, and font variations to make your title, header, and subtitle stand out from within the overall design.
To really ensure your non-fiction book cover gets noticed, choose an engaging and relevant image for the background. This can help draw readers in with curiosity or evoke emotion. Find an image or design element that connects to the subject matter of your book and draws attention to your cover.
The right typefaces can make a huge difference in how eye-catching and appealing your non-fiction book cover looks. Choosing typefaces that are appropriate to the genre of your book is essential. For example, if you are writing about history or business advice, use a font that conveys strength and credibility. Always use legible fonts that people can easily read from a distance. Finally, use color to create interest and delineate different text elements. Colors can make your text more legible, and they help you distinguish different elements of the design like titles, headings, and subheadings. Choose colors that complement or contrast the main image on your non-fiction book cover for maximum impact.
In conclusion, a perfectly designed non-fiction book cover is critical to making your book stand out and become a bestseller. Follow these 5 tips, and you'll be well on your way to creating a cover that not only captures attention but also resonates with your target audience.
So, book a consultancy call now.